Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Mink V2 transformation in Grand Peace Online. This powerful upgrade enhances your character's speed and combat abilities, making you a formidable force. We will cover the necessary steps and requirements to unlock this advanced form, ensuring you are well prepared for the journey ahead. Let's dive into the details of this exciting upgrade. To begin your journey to Mink V2, you must first be a Mink race member. This race offers inherent advantages, including a 5% boost to your total stamina and a 5% faster stamina regeneration rate. These base benefits are crucial for sustained combat and movement, laying the groundwork for your powerful transformation. Being a Mink is the essential first step. The Mink V2 transformation, often called Sulong, is a temporary but potent power-up. It is typically activated under specific in-game conditions, such as during a full moon, mirroring its anime inspiration. Once activated, your existing Mink abilities, like Thunderer's Roar and Thunderer's Whirlwind, become significantly more powerful, offering increased damage and utility. With Mink V2, you'll experience a remarkable increase in movement speed and the effectiveness of your dashes. Your combat abilities, such as Thunderer's Roar and Thunderer's Whirlwind, will deal significantly more damage and have broader impact. Utilize this powerful, temporary transformation strategically in challenging encounters or player-versus-player combat to overwhelm your opponents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.